Mumbai Congressman Nitesh Rane, the youngest son of Maharashtra Minister Narayan Rane, has refused to retract his statement targeting Gujaratis in Mumbai. In fact, he's gone on to say that if Narendra Modi is such an excellent leader, then Gujaratis should go back to the state. Rane had sparked a storm earlier with his tweet saying Gujarati housing societies in Mumbai only look for vegetarian tenants.
सच्ची में अगर इतना ज्यादा डेवलपमेंट हो रहा है नरेंद्र मोदी इनके माध्यम से, तो उनके ही कम्युनिटी के लोग उनके ऊपर विश्वास रख के कि बाबा हमारे जो हम जहाँ स्टेट में इतना गुजराती है, तो हमारे जो होम स्टेट है वहाँ अगर इतना डेवलपमेंट हो रहा है तो हमको वापिस जाना चाहिए। ऐसा अगर उनको लगता नहीं है तो मुझे नहीं लगता गुजरात में इतना डेवलपमेंट है।
The fact is again targeting a particular community. Would you accept that?
So why? First of all, people reading my Twitter. First of all, people who have read my Mumbai Mirror yesterday, the article or my interview, they should understand that I am not targeting any particular community here. I am just simply saying, if Gujarat CM Mr. Narendra Modi has really done so much of development in Gujarat, then why don't his own people trust him? Why don't they think that they have to go back to the home state of Gujarat, or they want to go back to Gujarat?
But many would also say the fact that it's not sort of an advice that has been given to the community, but more so it's sort of a threatening message that's been sent out.
Why a threatening message to a community? When I'm very clearly mentioning in my Twitter account and in my interview yesterday, I said people who believe in the development of Narendra Modi. I didn't say Gujarati community believes in development in Narendra Modi should go back. I said whoever believes that Narendra Modi has done a good job, then they might as well think of moving back to their home state. So what's wrong in that?
Elections around the corner. Would you say that somewhere down the line it's some political maneuvering that you're doing? Somewhere down the line it's a Congress party stand and trying to attract again another vote bank in this case?
See, frankly, it is the fact that I'm trying to say. It is a discussion or a debate that I'm trying to open in front of the people. So people should think about it.
Senior BJP leader Jai Narayan Vyas joins us for his reaction on the uproar that has been created by Nitesh Rane's statement. Sir, Nitesh Rane saying that if Modi has really done such great job, why don't Gujaratis staying in Mumbai go back to Gujarat?
See, I think the frustration because of the goofing up by the UPA government in Congress has become now so widespread that the slip of tongue, so-called, has become an order of the day. Is Mr. Nitesh Rane's press conference and the utterances has come as an open defiance to Mr. Rahul Gandhi? Is it something that he is taking on the central leadership that come what may, I'll speak what I want to speak? Or is it some statement which part of the game Congress has put into his mouth, and now, having been in this difficult situation, they are trying to wriggle out? I think it's time that the central leadership of the Congress comes out and clarifies it.
ऐसा करना ठीक नहीं है। उनका स्टेटमेंट जो है उसकी जांच की जाएगी और उसमें कोई गैर कानूनी है तो देखा जाएगा।
Follow that story on our website ibnlive.com, but we'll move now to more news about Narendra Modi. Despite the growing chorus in the BJP to declare him its prime ministerial candidate at the earliest, senior party leader Jaswant Singh says the choice should be made